Safety and health play a key role in the successful implementation of any mammoth project like MML-3. Being the only underground metro line proposed till date in Mumbai, the engineers and workers on site have to be very careful while tunneling and working below Mumbai's gas lines, sewage lines, foundations of buildings, skyscrapers, railway lines and flyovers, other overhead metro pillars and heritage sites. The most challenging part being tunneling below the Meethi River passing through the city. MMRC and its team have very diligently managed to solve this issue and as of today, successfully completed 97% of the tunneling.
In execution of civil works in last 5 years, we have adopted a very rigorous method, practices, protocols and made safe working as a way of life. We followed safety by design, safety by putting systems in place, safety by monitoring important parameters. I am happy to say that after 5 years of working, our incidence frequency rate is 0.3 as compared to 0.5, which is a internationally recognized parameter to monitor construction safety.
Whether it is the huge TBMs used for tunneling or NATM technology, work is being carried out with safety and mission zero accidents. While an intercom facility is made available in the tunnels at every 50 meters distance, one will be able to access a fire extinguisher within every 100-meter distance to avoid any unfortunate incidents due to fire. MMRC abides by strict protocols of occupational safety, health and environmental system, that is OSHE, followed globally. Recruiting workers on site begins with complete health checkup and 90 hours of safety induction and orientation program. Safety cares and PPE kits are provided to the workers only after clearing this program. Token and tally system is followed at every site to maintain the count of workers entering the underground MML-3 corridor. Every site has a qualified doctor stationed round the clock for the possible medical emergencies. Skilled workers are provided with appropriate gears like gloves, shields, goggles, depending on the activity being carried out. As MML-3 work was also carried out through the COVID-19 pandemic, with lesser number of workers on site, MMRC strictly followed the WHO rules.
When COVID started in March 20 and immediately followed by lockdown, it was difficult time for us as well as for all leaders. MMRC was almost having more than 15,000 of laborers at that point of time, and they were not allowed to go. So they were all kept in their labor camps and they were not allowed to go inside. We provided them with all basic needs, food, medication, everything. But when lockdown opened, they were allowed to go and immediately they went to their places.
Wearing a mask and following COVID protocols has been made mandatory at all the sites. MMRC participated in the campaign titled Achhi Aadat, that is, Good Habit, launched by Japan International Cooperation Agency, that is JICA, to create awareness about the importance of practicing good hygiene to prevent the further spread of infectious diseases like COVID-19.
As you know, JICA is our financer and they are also having their safety protocol in place. MMRC needs to follow their safety guidelines as well. MMRC needs to maintain the safety protocol of their workers and general public in the vicinity, and in case of any accident, MMRC needs to act very fast. JICA wants us to follow the local laws as well as international standard of safety, which we are doing through contract management. All the guidelines which are mandated by JICA are being followed by us.
A vaccination drive was also conducted for the workers. As of today, all staff and workers are fully vaccinated. MMRC is doing its best to keep the health and safety of every staff, worker, and engineer on site and otherwise involved in the project to enable them to meet with the targets on time.